Do you know this feeling when you're outside in nature and you're looking up in the sky and the sky shines in a deep, deep blue? A blue that seems to be so alive. And the clouds in the sky look so soft, as if they were flowing through the sky like water flows through a river. You then go for a walk through the forest and you feel a dust of fresh air flowing through your body. Being surrounded by the trees makes you feel like nature gives you a creamy hug, one that soothes your soul. The breeze wandering through the forest touches your skin softly and gently. Oh, how sweet this feeling is. And as if it couldn't get any better, the yellow shining sun rays drop on your skin. They shine through the leaves of the trees. Now you're fully immersed and it feels like your soul is cracking up, open to receive and merge with the rhythm of nature. Merge smoothly until you start to become one. It's a feeling that can't be described in words, but that feels so familiar at the same time. A feeling that pours through every cell of your body and feels like a massage that soothes all the worries you have inside. It allows you to let go and to just be. You start to realize that you are all and all is you. Every part of you is a part of nature, and every part of nature is a part of you. You feel the symphony of life, what it means to feel whole, to merge with what is inside and around you. A feeling that you never want to stop. How delicious life can be.